Yeah, sorry about that, YouTube. I had to answer that phone. It was an important phone call. But I'm trying to solve that issue with the right side of the speaker not playing. I think it's my wiring is old, and the speaker wiring. So I would be using Nakamichi banana clips, banana plugs. See the plugs right here, they come in a set of 5. That'll be like 10 banana clips. And I'm gonna do a complete overhaul with my I'm gonna replace all my RCA jacks. I have several packs here, so I'm gonna replace all of those. And I have some more banana clips here that I picked up from Lowe's. I'm gonna try these here to try to see can I solve that issue. Yeah, this is my Pioneer SX-3800, and I have reel to reel on the bottom. It's a matching set I got back in the 80s when I had really got familiar with solid state. It was Rod Electronics here in Albany, Georgia. They were doing this sales on Pioneers, so that's when I got started with Rod Electronics back in like the early 80s. When I got out of high school, I was introduced to solid state by Rod. And we used to go into the listening booth and all the time and listen to different speakers. That's when I got into the JBLs, that L series, and now I'm rocking some Pioneers, the CS905s. They I'll do a review on those later. And I have a Sound Source. It was a place out of Cuthbert, Georgia. They were customizing and making those, so it was a cheaper speaker. So I got into that, and that was a part of my speaker system. But I'm gonna come back with a video and show you how I connect my banana plugs, and I'll show you how I rerouted my RCA jacks. I'll do that in another video here. But like and subscribe to Carlos Hall YouTube channel. Thank you, and you have a blessed day.